Hi friends, today we will learn how to file a UAE value-added tax or VAT return in a step-by-step manner. You should follow along and pause the video wherever you feel necessary. For more such helpful videos, consider subscribing our channel. Before starting to file a VAT return, please ensure that you have prepared VAT calculation for the respective quarter that you are filing the VAT return for. Okay, let's jump into action. Go to the EmaraTax portal and select the appropriate login mode on the logon page. If you chose to sign in with UAE Pass, you would be taken to the next page where you would have to enter one of the required information, and then the owner of the company or authorized UAE Pass person would have to confirm your login. However, if you do not have UAE Pass, you will have to choose the option for non-UAE Pass users. Upon successful login, you would land on Taxable Person Profile page, where you have to click on View option below the taxable person's name. On the following page, in the menu on the left-hand side, click on VAT. On the VAT page, in the Returns and Refunds section, select View All under the My Filings tab. On the My Filings page, click on File under the Action section on the right-hand side corresponding to the VAT return with status showing as Open. On the VAT return page, scroll down and check the checkbox that says I confirm that I have read the above instructions and guidelines, and click on Start button. This will start the VAT return filing process. At the first step, in the section VAT on sales and all other outputs, enter the sales amount and applicable VAT amount in the respective Emirates. Leave the adjustment field as 0 in all the rows. Verify the auto-filled amount for tax refunds provided to tourists. In the next field, if applicable, enter the amount and applicable VAT paid for supplies that are subject to reverse charge provisions. In the next field, enter the amount for sales that are 0 rated for VAT. In the next field, enter the amount for VAT-exempt sales. In the next field, if applicable, verify the auto-filled details for the amount and applicable VAT paid for goods imported into the UAE. In the next field, if any, enter the amount and applicable VAT to be adjusted for goods imported into the UAE. Verify the totals in the next field, and scroll down further. That will take you to the next section, VAT on expenses and all other inputs, which is claiming input VAT. In the field, Standard Rated Expenses, enter the amount and applicable VAT amount for the expenses that come under VAT purview. In the next field, enter the amount and applicable VAT for expenses that are subject to reverse charge provisions. Verify the totals, and scroll down further. In the Net VAT Due section, verify the auto-filled values. In the section Profit Margin Scheme, select No in the field Did you apply the profit margin scheme in respect of any supplies made during the tax period? Click Next Step. This will take you to the Review and Declaration page. Review all the information carefully and scroll down. At the end of the page, select the checkbox I declare that all the information provided is true, accurate, and complete to the best of my knowledge and belief, and click on Submit button. On the Acknowledgement page, scroll down further and download the VAT return filing acknowledgement. To pay the VAT amount, click on Pay button. On the Payment Selection page, select the payment method. If you choose to pay through GBAN, on the Payment Instruction page, you will be provided with the GBAN and reference number. You need to quote the GBAN reference number and amount when making your payment. Follow the instructions on the Payment Instructions page and complete the VAT payment. That's it, you have successfully filed the VAT return. Please like the video if you have found it helpful. Tell us in the comments what other issues you need help with. See you in the next video.